It's become very fashionable lately in defensive shooting instruction to teach students to shoot at the upper thoracic area, whether you're shooting at a 3D target like this, an actual aggressor, or even a target like this. You know, the notion being that shots in the center of mass here aren't going to be quite as effective as shots in the upper thoracic. And that's certainly true. However, it's not a training regimen that we're particularly fond of. The old way that we learned was you shoot center of mass being center of available mass. Because if you train to shoot at the upper thoracic, what if the upper thoracic isn't available to you? What if all you see is that? What if all you see is that? Or that? You know, I mean, there's no guarantee that someone's going to be facing you head on if you need to shoot them. Learning to shoot at the center of available mass seems to make a lot more sense. Trying to shoot at the upper thoracic could cause you to stutter if the upper thoracic isn't available in the defensive situation that you need to fight for your life for. Now, I'm sure some people will counter that that's a fine theory, but if your assailant is actually facing you head on, then by all means, shots in the upper thoracic area are going to be the most effective, and that's where you should aim if you have that option available to you. Well, yes and no. Under those circumstances, you know, a full frontal shot, as it were, we still prefer the center of mass, center of available mass. The main reason being that no one stands still and lets themselves be shot. People tend to be in motion when we have to shoot them. And if you're aiming here and this guy moves, it's easier to miss than if you're aiming here and he's moving. You just have more room for error by aiming at the center of available mass than aiming towards the edge of the target. So for that reason, no matter what part of your assailant is available to you, we generally advocate that you shoot at the center of the available mass.